Adrian Plottegan Fan 2023 Animations presents Dora the Explorer snores like a Numberblock 99 and gets grounded, and was inspired by Nicolas de Valentinif on 1740.
Okay class, today it will be on geometry, and was it doing of map of France. Please watch this YouTube by searching to Dora. Are you snoring in the class? You just like troublemakers last night? Um, 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 yes. I did, because I am snoring like a Numberblock 99 in class. Dora the motherfucking explorer. How fucking dare you snore like a Numberblock 99 in class? You just like troublemakers snoring likes everything characters. That's so fucking it. Go to a principal office right now.
So Dora, what brings here at the office?
I am snore like a Numberblock 99 in class. And I wish old principal back and go died by pushing you off to the skyscraper you are nigga.
Dora. Watch your language. And how dare you snore like a Numberblock 99, and also you said the N-word. That is so racist to black people. That is so fucking enough. You are expelled forever. Go home while I am calling your parents about this. At Dora's house. Note, I didn't saying the N-word. Dora was in the black? No, she is white, not black.
Dora the motherfucking explorer. How fucking ass dare you snoring like a Numberblock 99, and also you said the N-word at principal? You should know that is so racist to do that, and you are grounded until your show never getting reboot in 2023. Go to your room right fucking now.